My name is Favour, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can get a free $6,000 contest forex account that you can use to start trading, and that you can use as a leverage or capital for you to start your forex trading without you having to deposit any amount. If you know that you are interested in what I have just mentioned, all you have to do is to watch this video to the very end. Make sure you don't miss any step, because if you do, you'll miss the chance to get this free account. So make sure you watch it carefully and follow me step by step as I guide you through how you can get it. So if this is your first time of watching my video or coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you like this video, share it with your friend, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when next I drop a video, you will be the first person to get notified. So now that we are done subscribing, the link to get this $6,000 account will be available for you in the description of this video, and will also be pinned in the comment section. So the first thing for you to do is for you to go there, click on the link, and you'll be redirected back to my Telegram channel. Once you get to my Telegram channel, you will see the link to get this free $6,000 contest account. Alright, so once you click on the link, you'll be brought to an interface like this. Because you're a new user, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you register. So as you can see, this is register or pay. Guys, you have to focus, you have to watch this video to the very end, so that you don't miss this account, because I won't allow any of you to come to my DM and start asking me personal questions. That's why I'm making this video to be simple for you. Okay, so now click on register. So now that we've clicked on register, let's wait for it to load. Alright, let's wait for it to load. As you can see, once you click on register, you'll be brought to an interface like this. Once you click on the link, you'll be brought to your Play Store so that you can download the app. Because I have downloaded the app already, that's why it is kind of simple for me, but you have to download the app before coming here. So once you get to an interface like this, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your email and your password. Enter your email and your password, and I would advise you to enter your right email and your right password. Okay, alright, let's proceed. So let me enter my email. And let me enter my password. So now that we are done, the next thing for you to do, when entering your password, you must make sure that it is 8 to 50 character, 1 plus uppercase, 1 plus lowercase, 1 plus numbers, no space at start or the end. It is very important, so take note of this. So once you are done, just click on sign up. So as you can see, a code has been sent to your email. So the next thing for you to do right now is for you to go to your email and verify the code. So let's go to our email account right now. Let's go to our email account. So this is our email account. You have to be patient. So this is the code. This is the code that we just received. So the next thing for us to do is for us to copy the code. Copy the code and go back to the platform. So enter the code here and choose the country you are from, where you resident. So I'm from Nigeria, so I'll choose Nigeria. So click on continue once you are done choosing your residence. So now that we are done, the next thing for you to do is for you to claim your free $6,000 free account. Alright, so let me show you how to do it. So the next thing for you to do now that you have already logged in is for you to click on more. Alright, click on more. So you have to be very patient here, because this is where you'll be getting your free $6,000 account. So click on contest. As you can see, it will bring you to somewhere like this. As you can see, this is an ongoing contest, and it will soon end in 2 days time. Alright, it will soon end in 2 days time, and I will be given an award of $1,000 USD. So the next thing, if you want to view their terms and conditions, I will explain the terms and conditions. Just calm down. let's first claim this account. All right, let's claim this account. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on join. Click on join. Click on join. So wait for it to load. You have to be very patient. So the first, anyone that takes the first place will receive 500 USD. Anyone that takes the second place will receive 350. Anyone that takes the third place will receive 150. And minimum turnover. These are the terms and conditions for you to be able to get your money. The qualification terms and condition is minimum turnover is 10,000 is 10 million USD here, and the minimum number of trade is 50, and your contest account balance is 6,000 USD. So if you know that you want to get this account, what you have to do is to click on this box, enter your nickname. Let me enter my nickname. Enter your nickname. Once you enter your nickname, just come down here and click on join. Click on join. Alright, don't forget this is the terms and condition. So we have been able to get our account. Alright, this might seem much. The total month turnover that you have to turn over might seem much, but it's not much because your account balance is already high already. So you can either choose to view or start. And you can check your rank right here. You can check your rank, you can check your things over here. So let's click on start. You will see right now, as you can see, this is your equity over here and your balance 6,000. You have been able to get your 6,000 free contest account. This is it right here. So you can come here and start placing your trade. These are the currency pair that you can start trading with. This is your account balance. As you can see, this is it right here. You have been able to get it. Okay, so I've already explained the terms and condition. Already. You can choose to trade right now. You can choose to analyze your market before trading. It's left to you. My own is that you've already gotten your free account, so you can choose to trade any currency pair that you want. So let me guide you through how you can trade using this platform. Alright, let me guide you through it. So let's click on trade. Let's choose a particular currency pair. Just go down a bit. Click on market. So just select a particular currency pair. Once you click on select, click on trade over here. Click on trade. So you can choose to buy here, you can choose to sell. So if you want to buy, just click on this green line, click on this green color. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, just click on this red color. You can set your TP and your XL. Over here, and that's it. Congratulations to you. If you know that you have been able to get your own, let me know in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from, and let me know if you want more of this video. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe so that you can get more of it. Bye for now.